Hey guys, Dwight here with Tire Spine. Little quick how-to video of getting the wheel in through the tire and the tire spine insert. It may sound pretty routine. Some people never done a tire themselves, they're going to be doing it for the first time. First thing is just like a normal tire install, or a wheel and tire install. What you do is you just start it in like normal with your bead. And these are dual bead lock wheels, so there's no huge lift to really get over here. What you do is just work your spoon around. So you got the wheel planted in there. Next part is with the spine insert. Just takes a little bit of weight to do it. I weigh 135 pounds, so you get the wheel to bounce down in here. Don't get crock-eyed and crooked on you. Just kick down on it like that. Next process is getting the next part of the bead on the other side of the lip of the tire. If you have non-bead locks, dual bead locks, this is where you can stop, so it'll be on the bead side. Flip over and do your ring. These are dual bead locks, so we got to fit the tire ring over. What I usually do that helps, take your spoons, 2 spoons, makes it easier. Cross them in an X formation, helps them overlap. And then just go around, feed your spoon in a circle around it, get it centered in. You got it in. This has an insert in it. You see, you don't have to have any kind of special tools to pull a wheel through, no special halos, none of that. It's set, ready to go. Start your bead ring, put your bolts down to your bead lock, and air it up, you're ready to go.